bearings are a little crusty. Not too bad. $115, 5500 BTU. R22 12.5 ounce. Let's see if I can get the compressor to fire. Low fan. Here we go. Quiet little compressor. I'll let it build some head pressure. Low fan, 152 watts on a 50-foot extension cord. Initial startup, about 825 watts. No head pressure. I'll let it build a head pressure and see how much wattage we're pulling in about 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been running about 5 minutes. We're pulling 920 watts through a 50-foot extension cord. Blowing about mid-50s, 75 degrees outside. The air coming out, I mean, it's not really the air, it's whatever surfaces the air is hitting, so I don't know. The coils are probably quite a bit cooler. The backside. Putting out a decent amount of heat. About 120 on the coil. I'd say it's doing okay.